Greetings everyone, this is Suraj from Batch 5 under the guidance of Pratap sir. Now I am going to give a presentation on internship program that I have attended. The first slide is about the company and it's called IC Solutions. It is a digital service providing company and they provide services in the field of web development, digital marketing, graphic designing and video editing or animation. Link for their website and social media is given on the slide. Now let's talk about the internship program itself. It was a program of 40 days that started from September and ended on October 2020. During the initial days, we had some training and it was a crash course on Python libraries and machine learning. After the training, a project is assigned to all of the interns. In this project, we had to build a regression model that uses supervised machine learning, and a report on the same project has to be submitted to the mentor for evaluation. If the project satisfies the requirements of the mentor, then we will be awarded with a certificate which is graded according to performance. This slide explains what has to be done in order to complete the project. The project title is Automobile Price Prediction using Machine Learning. In this we are given a problem statement and we have to define the objective for the problem and come up with a solution. The problem statement was, and I quote, automobile sales are on a global increase, so there is a need for car price prediction system to effectively determine the worthiness of the car using variety of features. So it can be said that the objective of the problem is to predict the retail price of a car by training different machine learning regression models on the given dataset and to evaluate the performance of individual models. And the outcome of this project is a prediction system that is optimized for maximum efficiency and accuracy. This slide explains the process that should be followed in order to obtain the expected outcome. Whenever we are building a machine learning model from scratch, we have to follow these steps one after another in order to get a ML model that is both accurate and efficient. The first step is to clean the dataset. Here, redundant values are removed and also the null values, so that we can have a clean dataset to train the model without any errors. When the first step is over, we have a pre-processed dataset that can be used in next stages of training the model. The next step is exploratory data analysis. Here, we plot graphs using the attributes in the datasets to find out how these attributes are related to each other for the given data. By doing this exploratory data analysis, we can find out the dependency of target attribute with other attributes. Once the data analysis is over, it can be assumed that we have all the information required to train the model. Before training the model, we have to prepare the dataset for training. Here, the dataset is usually split into two fragments. One is used for training and other is used for testing. In most of the times, training data contains more values than testing data. Now we have done with pre-processing and the only thing left is to train the model. In model training, the input data along with some parameters is given to training algorithm. This algorithm can be regression algorithm or classification algorithm. In this case, it is regression algorithm. The parameters mentioned earlier are called hyperparameters. Hyperparameters are the parameters for the training algorithm. These parameters are used to specify how to train the model. After configuring the algorithm for our requirements, the model is trained. After training the model, we have to evaluate it by using the testing data split. If the model does not give expected results, Then we have to retrain the model by optimizing the hyperparameters. This process is repeated until satisfactory results are obtained. Then again we have to repeat this training and testing process for different machine learning algorithms. Finally, we have to select the best model that has maximum accuracy and efficiency. Coming to the conclusion, in this project I have totally trained 5 models, but I have selected best 3 for this presentation. We can observe that model 5 that uses random forest regressor algorithm has produced R2 score of 0.9417 with an accuracy of 94.17%, and it's arguably the best fitting model for given dataset. So what I have learned during this internship process? Few of them are listed here. I have categorized these into technical skills and non-technical skills for simplicity. Coming to technical skills, I have learned how to work in a Python environment and how to use Python notebooks, and also about the package management in Python. I have also learned concepts of machine learning and data analysis. For non-technical skills, I have learned how to plan ahead of the time to be productive. Alongside, I have also learned few other things. That is how documentation is done for projects, writing professional emails, and file management. This is the certification of internship that I have obtained by completing this internship process. Thank you.